wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best portable blenders. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The versatile voltrx vortexboost is fashioned from durable BPA-free Triton plastic and is perfect for mixing up all kinds of things like eggs, pre-workout protein shakes, baby formulas, pancake and waffle batters, and fruity cocktails. It comes with a base that lights up and a 1-year warranty. However, it's not as powerful as the competition. At number 9, maintain a healthy lifestyle with the Brio USB. Boasting a 15-ounce capacity, it features 2 long-lasting lithium-ion batteries capable of yielding up to 20 cups of your favorite beverage on a single charge. Unfortunately, it's a bit on the noisy side. It includes a recipe ebook and a 30-day money-back guarantee, but accessing the power switch is a pain. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The douhe cordless can withstand temperatures between -4 and 216 degrees Fahrenheit. Equipped with a digital countdown timer and an integrated USB port, it can function as both a blender and a power supply for charging mobile devices in any location. It includes a 150-watt motor and is relatively quiet. However, it takes a while to crush ice. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the kacsoo S620 is constructed with a high-quality shock-resistant glass container, as well as a sturdy ABS base. Its stainless steel blades spin at a top speed of 16,500 revolutions per minute, giving your drinks a silky smooth texture. It features red and white LEDs and a long battery life, but the instructions are a bit confusing. Moving up our list to number 6. With its attractive bullet shape and cyclonic blending action, the cozibot Travel crushes anything from ice cubes and frozen vegetables to seeds in just 30 seconds. The silicone rings inside the cup and around the motor base provide a secure seal that prevents leakage. It's equipped with a battery level indicator and overload protection. However, the double-click startup is annoying. Halfway up our list at number 5. Setting the promixx vortex apart from much of the competition is its innovative X-blade technology, designed to preserve the micronutrient integrity of processed ingredients as much as possible, making it ideal for athletes and those aiming for optimal health. It includes a storage pod for supplements and is sleek and stylish, but it needs to be recharged often. At number 4, quickly whip up delicious frozen treats with the Oster blend. In addition to a 400-watt power output, the resettable fuse can revive its motor within 15 minutes following overheating. A 3-year satisfaction guarantee is included. It's got a carrying hook on the lid and comes in at a very affordable price. However, it is difficult to clean. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you crave smoothies or protein shakes on the way to work, take the Hamilton Beach Personal Creations along for the ride. Its one-touch pulse function helps to ensure evenly blended fruits and vegetables, resulting in an ideal consistency. It fits in most vehicle cup holders and is available in several colors. The jar is BPA-free. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, perfect for busy lifestyles, the lightweight P&M Home Mini is very easy to carry and uses electromagnetic induction technology for convenient on-the-go charging. Additionally, it's equipped with a 40-second automatic shut-off function. The stainless steel blades are concealed and is good for making salad dressings. There are 3 color options. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Whether you're heading to class, the office or the gym, the Keyton single serve is a convenient travel companion. A powerful 300-watt motor quickly pulverizes ice and produce, while the sports lid keeps all your beverages safely contained inside. It offers a one-touch operation, and both the bottle and blade are dishwasher safe. It holds 21 ounces. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable blenders, or simply click beneath this video.